Okay, just tell me one thing, that would you spend your money on the thing that you can do literally with $0 at home? Hey guys, it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm in my studio and shooting the fashion video today, and I'm feeling super energetic plus professional, and that's what makes me happy. So in today's video, you're gonna see how many types you can rip your jeans or else destroy your jeans or else distress your jeans or toned jeans. Basically everything. I know that many brands are already making this type of jeans and they are selling at very high price as well. But what I feel is that utilize your old pair of jeans and go with it, okay? There is nothing like ye acha nahi lagega. So here are the 4 ways that you can rip your jeans, plus at the end of this video I'm going to show you one hack which is very useful, because that is going to make your jeans look more natural, toned jeans, and that's what we want. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, I'm going to start with scissor and tweezer. Okay, so I'm going to do all the 4 ways on single jeans. So for the first one, all you need to do is to make small snips through scissor. I'm going to make 3 to 4 in one line. After you get something like this, you just have to take your tweezer and pull out the vertical threads. Make sure only vertical threads and not horizontal. So vertical threads are the blue threads that is going to be removed, and horizontal ones are the white threads that is to be kept as it is. Next is with the scissor and cheese grater. For this also, we'll make a small snips, but this time we would be keeping it as an scattered around the space, and then yes, I'm even going to cut a small hole because I feel that I want more than just a snip. After which, all I need to do is to just take a cheese grater and rub so hard on the jeans that the borders of the snipped part gets very natural look like a ripped jeans. And if you want more, then you just have to cut and repeat the process. That's it. Third one is using a sandpaper. Okay, so I don't know which specific sandpaper is this, but I got small piece of it, and what I did is just rubbing it on the jeans. Rub it until you get the holes that looks so natural like this. Fourth one is using a razor. For this also you need to get a razor which has sharp blade on it, and then you just have to do is to start scratching it on your jeans. I got clean horizontal cut on the jeans which you usually see on the knee cut jeans. Okay, so have a look on all of the 4 ways I did using tweezer, cheese grater, sandpaper, the best, and razor. It's time for the hack. So the hack is to wash your jeans like a normal machine wash would work well, and after which it would take the natural shape of the jeans. I just love the way white threads have turned out to be like more natural ribbed jeans. Okay, so I hope this video gets useful to you when you distress your jeans, and yeah, if it does, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from me. We'll see you guys in the next video. Till then,